Hello, sweet friends! Do your crochet blankets always seem to turn into trapezoids rather than rectangles? Or you're never quite sure where exactly to end each row? Try the super simple trick that I love to use to help take out all the guesswork of where each row actually ends and easily keep the edge of your blanket straight while you're crocheting. All you need to do is grab a couple of stitch markers. Once you've made your first stitch of the row, which happens to be a single crochet for me right here, go ahead and grab your stitch marker and slide it into the top two loops of that first stitch of this row. Once that stitch is marked, crochet all the way across to the other side of your blanket. When you go to start a new row here, you're going to place your other stitch marker. So make your first stitch of this row. Grab your stitch marker and slide it underneath both of these loops here, right on top of that stitch. And now that that stitch is marked, crochet all the way across to the other side of your blanket. Thanks to your first stitch marker that you placed, you can tell exactly where to end this row. So work all the way across right into that stitch marker space that is showing that this is the very last stitch of the row on the edge here. Turn your work and remove this stitch marker because we don't need it in this space anymore. Place your first stitch of the row here and grab that stitch marker and slide it under the top two loops of this new first stitch of the row. And this marks the side edge. Now that that stitch is marked, go ahead and crochet across to the other side of your blanket until you run into the other stitch marker, and just continue to repeat this process for your entire blanket. I love this trick because it makes it so that your side stitch will forever be marked on both edges of your blanket, and you'll never have to guess again where exactly to end each row, and the side of your blanket will be nice and straight. By the way, if you're loving this blanket that you've seen in this tutorial, I actually have a free pattern available here on YouTube if you want to make one for yourself. Just check the links below or tap this video that should have just popped up on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.